Have you ever stopped wearing something because the zipper broke? Yes, with our handy video, you'll be able to replace that zip, save your garment, and keep those pieces looking good for longer. Here's what you need. Let's talk invisible zips. They're not invisible, obvs, but they're hidden within the seams of your clothing, hence the name. See? Your zip is made up of 6 main parts. You want one that's strong enough and long enough for the job. Invisible zips are supposed to have a little extra length inside the garment, so always choose too long over too short. Okay, grab your zip and your sewing kit and let's go. Lay your garment and zip out on a flat surface. Place your zip so that the teeth line up with the fold of the fabric, then carry on with the pinning. Make sure everything's lying flat and backstitch from top to bottom along one side of the zip tape, keeping close to the teeth. Now close the zip. Make sure everything is neat and even. Open the zip again. Now backstitch this side just like you did before. Start at the bottom, working your way up. It doesn't need to be perfect. Your clothing just needs to be worn again. Secure the bottom of the zip with a few centimeters of backstitch. Tie off your thread and trim off any excess. And you're done! You've replaced an invisible zip and saved another piece of clothing. Go you! Want to know more? Check out our other sewing videos for your next repair project.